Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Buds, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Once you open the quick panel, scroll through it and find the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And if you want to enable the mode, tap on this icon, tap on the check mark, and the mode will be enabled. You will see that the icon changed the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And also, if you go back to watch face, you will see that the Do Not Disturb mode icon appeared on the watch face, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. If you want to disable it, open the quick panel again, tap on the icon will go back to the gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also enable and disable the mode through the settings. So we can press the side button on the home screen to open the menu, then tap on the settings icon, scroll through settings, and find the sounds and vibration, and tap on it. Here, find the Do Not Disturb mode option, and tap on it. And here we can enable and disable the mode by tapping on the switch. You can also make a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. So basically, to make it turn on automatically and turn off automatically at specific times. As you can see, we have pre-existing schedule. We can turn it on or off by tapping on the switch, and this schedule turns on at 10 p.m. and turns off at 7 a.m. But you can add your own if you want to by tapping on Add Time, then tapping on Start, setting the hour on which it should be turning on by swiping up and down on hours and minutes, then the end time, and then the repeat option. And this option, basically, here you can select on which days it should repeat. And if you select, for example, Sunday, it will repeat every Sunday. And if you select multiple days, it will repeat on those days. If you don't select anything, it won't repeat. It will go off once, or rather work once, and then it won't repeat. So select the days you like, and once you're done, tap on OK. Tap on the check mark, and here we have our schedule. You can have multiples of them. Like this. You can also remove them by tapping on one, scrolling down and tapping on delete. Like that. And once you're done setting up your schedules, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you turn on, or rather enable, and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.